We'll guide you through how to show the keyboard and mouse on screen in OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're going to go and hand over the video to Pauser.
So just go ahead and open any browser to your liking and search for github.com and no board. And just go to the first link. And now from here, scroll down and at the right hand side, you will see the Corona update. So just go ahead and click on the +10 releases. Now scroll down and you will see no board. So just go ahead and click on that and your zip file will start downloading. And once that it has finished downloading, you can just go ahead and open it. And after opening, you can just go ahead and click on it and choose to extract all. And now just go ahead and extract it to the selected destination and just go ahead and click on extract. And now after extracting, you will see no board application. So basically just go ahead and open the no board application by just double clicking on it. And you will see this weird blue overlay appear. And now in the overlay, you can just go ahead and right click on it and choose to load keyboard. Just go ahead and click on the drop down for category and select any options that you like. So let's say I want to go with Zhao 7YT. And after selecting, you can just go ahead and choose any keyboard styles. Now we can just go ahead and change it to other options also. And let's say I want to go with normal black, normal white, and after choosing, just go ahead and click on close. And now you will see your overlay will successfully appear. Now let's move on to OBS Studio. And once that the OBS Studio opens, you can just go ahead and create a new scene. So just click on the plus icon and name your scene. So I'm just gonna name it something like overlay and hit enter. And once that you have done that, just go to sources and add a new source. Just click on the plus icon and here just go ahead and select window capture. And after selecting, you can rename it to anything that you like. I'm just gonna leave it at default and click on OK. And once that you have done that, you will see window. Just click on the drop down and select your window, which in our case, it's going to be no board exe. So just go ahead and select it just like so and click on OK. And once that it has been successfully added, you can just resize it to your liking. And now you will see the green screen. Now to remove the green screen, just right click on your source and go to filters and just click on plus icon to add a new filter and add a chroma key. And you can name your chroma key and click on OK. If it is not set to green, just click on the drop down and make sure it is set to green just like so. And once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and close this window. You can resize it to somewhere corner just like so and make it so that your viewers will be able to see what keys that you are pressing. So I'm just gonna make it big so I can show you. And as you can see now, I'm pressing many keys and it is successfully being highlighted in the screen. And that's it.